Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this super easy ripple stitch baby blanket. Thank you for watching, commenting, and subscribing. Now let's get started. To crochet this blanket you are going to need 9 different colors of yarn. I'm going to leave the names of the colors in the description box below. The yarn used is this Peaches and Cream, and it's a worsted weight cotton yarn. It's 100% cotton, and for this size blanket only 1 skein of each color was used. You will also need an I9 5.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. To begin, create a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers twice, grab the back yarn and pull it to the front. Now what is the back yarn? You're going to pull up and off your finger. Insert your crochet hook and tighten down your slip knot. Now we're going to chain a chain of 96 plus 3. So 99 chains. Yarn over, pull through, 1 chain, yarn over, pull through, 2 chain. Never count this loop on your hook. Once we have 99 chains, I will meet back up. Here I have my chain of 99 and we are ready to begin the next step. Row 1, double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. So not counting this loop, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into that 4th chain, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. In this pattern, this chain at the beginning will count as our first double crochet. Now place 1 double crochet into the next 3 chains, 1 into each chain. Now double crochet 2 together. To begin, start with a regular double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain. Grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have our 3 loops for the double crochet. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops and stop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain. Grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We now have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now to complete the stitch, all we have to do is yarn over 1 more time and pull through. And there we have double crochet 2 together. We're going to do that again into the next 2 stitches. Now double crochet 1 into each of the next 3 chains. Now we are going to begin a repeat. This repeat will be repeated until we have 1 chain remaining. To begin the repeat, place 2 double crochet into the next chain. So we're increasing. 2 double crochet into the same stitch. And again into the next stitch. 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Now we are going to do that double crochet 2 together twice, which is a decrease, into the next 4 stitches, over the next 4 stitches. There's one for me, complete. And there's two. Then one double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. Now again, just for clarification, increase is 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and decrease is double crochet 2 together. So increase 2, double crochet 3, decrease 4, double crochet 3, and then repeat. Now the very end looks like this. We decrease 4, double crochet 3, and then into the very last chain we're going to place an increase. So 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Then turn. Here we are ready to begin row 2. Now row 2 will be repeated until the blanket is of desired length. Remember, you can visit the description box below for more information on the rainbow blanket, or you can visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Now to begin row 2, you want to chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. You're then going to double crochet into this very first stitch. Then double crochet into your next 3 stitches. Decrease the next 4 stitches. So of course, double crochet 2 together, twice. So there's one for me. And 2. Double crochet the next 3 stitches. Now we begin the same repeat that we were doing for the first row. Double crochet 2 into the same stitch, twice, increase 2, so I've increased 2 stitches, double crochet next 3 stitches. Double crochet next 3 stitches, 1 into each stitch. Then decrease 4 stitches, so double crochet 2 together twice. Double crochet next 3 stitches. And then repeat. Increase into your next 2 stitches, double crochet 3, decrease 4 stitches, double crochet 3, and repeat until the end. Here I am at the end of the repeating row 2. And of course, you will always be finishing with 3 double crochet, and then you're going to be placing 2 double crochet into the top of your beginning chain 3 from the previous round. So 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Then turn to begin row 2 again. I hope you have a wonderful time making this exquisite and super easy baby blanket. As always, thank you for watching, commenting, liking this tutorial, sharing the YouTube link with your friends, and subscribing if you haven't. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!